everyone! How are you? How are you? I hope you are all doing fine. And because of what is happening in our community, I believe some of you are just there in your house and you brought your work at your home. Yes, it feels so bad. But don't you worry because I am here to help you guys to be at your best even though you are not in your office to do your work. So I'll be giving you tips on how to do your work at home. For my first tip, diba, usually, pag nasa bahay tayo, we are very comfortable that we even forget to take a bath. That since you are working at home, it is very important na tayo po ay maligo to make us feel comfortable, be in our favorite attire na kahit nasa bahay lang tayo nasa kondisyon tayo para magtrabaho. So as you notice, kakaligo ko lang po, fresh na fresh from the bathroom. Kaya I believe we are now ready to work. And for my second tip, kailangan po pag nagtatrabaho tayo, it's not only what you wear and how you feel, but also where will you be at for? Where will you be at for you to work at your best? So, since ako po ay mas magaling pag nasa tabi ko ay pagkain, so I look for a spot here inside the house. Yes, you are right. Ito po yung lugar kung saan maraming pagkain. Nandito po ako sa aming dining table. And I believe dito ako mas mag-work ng effective kasi may pagkain. Other people would go to their room, bedroom, or meron silang spaces in their living room, no? Most, or if they have a workspace talaga in their house, then very good. Pero tulad sa amin na wala kaming working area, and if I stay inside my bed, you know, what do we do inside our bedroom? Of course, we sleep. So, isang oras na manunood ng Facebook, tulog. Pero pag gawain sa office, pag open ng paperwork, 10 minutes, I'm sorry, tulog. So, para hindi po tayo matutulog agad-agad, kailangan ko po talaga na may katabing pagkain. Kahit na lang po ay saging. So, stay safe, everyone. Eat healthy, drink healthy, be healthy. For my third tip, kahit nasa bahay po tayo, ay, dirty na yung hand ko. Wait lang. There, okay. So, for my third tip, kahit nasa bahay lang po tayo, we should also look wonderful. Kaya for my third tip, I will be teaching you my 3-minute work makeup. Yes! And before that, I'll be introducing you my makeup set. So this is my liquid foundation. I did not yeah, medyo sensitive po tayo pagdating sa brand, so I won't let you know what brand it is, but I have my liquid foundation. Then I only have my eyeliner / eyebrow pencil. Then I got my lipstick. And for my toppings, di ba? Parang pagkain lang. Kakabili ng barara, hindi pa natin nakukuha yung peelings niya. And I got my powder. My liquid foundation. So that's it. And yun nga, sabi ko sa inyo, I only do my makeup for 3 minutes, and in that 3 entire minutes, I don't like other people talking at me. If you want to know my 3 and how I apply my 3-minute makeup, please stay with me, guys. So let's begin. First, I use my foundation. Yeah, wala po akong applicator. I only use my hand. There you go. Okay. Usually, they advise that you use pea size. So, kakaunti lang po yun. I got my eyebrow pencil and eyeliner slash eyeliner. O, diba no? Ay, masyadong managal. Kasi, nakita na yung brand. Kaka-stress pala pag may video habang nagme-makeup. Before kasi, I don't do my eyebrow. And I don't really care pag hindi siya pantay. And yeah, if I just have my eyeliner, okay na po ako dun. There you go. I got my lipstick. Mama. And lastly, top it up with powder. There. Okay, now who says you need more time to do your makeup and be late at work if you do your makeup? There you go. That's my 3-minute makeup. Actually, it's about 2 minutes lang. So, since we still have time, I got you my secret. This is the secret pag nasa work tayo. Para mas maganda tayo, let's use our pearl earrings. Okay, guys. That's it for today. And I hope kahit naka-self-quarantine, community quarantine, any quarantine tayo, if we work at home, we will be always at our best. And remember, always be inspired. Bye, everyone!
Ayaw kayo nakahapit kamo sa akong nga channel. Kung bago pa lang kamo diri, pindutan ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Rubeinspired!